Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in this video I'll show you how to create digital products in Canva. So guys, you want to go ahead and create a digital product. The first step is actually brainstorming and choosing a digital product idea. You could pick something simple, something in demand and that aligns with your skills or knowledge, and it's also popular in 2026 or whatever year, and also sells well. So basically, you should pick something that sells well on either Etsy, Shopify, or any uh, platform that sells digital products. All right. So for the products or what you're looking to sell, you could go with planners. You could create ebooks. You could create workbooks or worksheets. You could also create social media templates that people would use. That's if you're going with the Canva contributor program, or you could go with lead magnets. That's a freebies to grow email list that upsell. All right, so the next thing now is setting up your Canva design. You could go about this by logging on to canva.com. Once you have logged in, make sure you have an account. If you do have an account, sign into Canva. Once you've signed into Canva, go ahead and click on create. So now, once you click on create, you're going to be starting from scratch, but I would not like to start from scratch. So I'll be going with templates that are already available. So you could simply search for digital products, or you could go ahead and search for things like planners, journals, ebooks. So I'll just go with planners. So let's just type in planners here and click on enter. Once you've done this, you'll be met with a list of planners by Canva that you can simply use to design and then sell on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. All right, so this is the list of planners that Canva was able to come up with, and this caught my eye. So just simply click on any of the planners and go ahead and select customize this template. So click on customize. All right, guys. So once it has opened up, just go ahead and select the text or whatever body you want to change the colors. So I'm just going to be changing this colors from this pink into something like red. And then I'll be doing that for the rest of the design. All right, guys, and once you're done designing it as you like, just go ahead and click on share at the top right. Try to make your design quite unique or different from the template, and then click on download and simply download it onto your computer. Now, once you're done here, just simply open up a new tab and simply type in a platform like Etsy. So go ahead and type in Etsy. We're going to be using Etsy to simply upload your design. Make sure you register an Etsy account, upload your design, and you should be good. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.